Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix you discovered a premium feature on Spotify. Seeing a discover premium message on Spotify, even though you've already subscribed, that can be confusing, right? But don't worry, this fix is especially for users who already have an active Spotify premium plan. If you're in the free tier, isn't an error. It simply means premium isn't enabled on your account. If you do have premium and features seem locked, the issue is usually a sync delay between your account and Spotify server. What I've found works best is logging out and back in twice. It sounds simple, but it forces your account to resync. Here's how I do it. Tap your profile icon in the top corner, go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down and press Logout, then log back in. Repeat the entire process one more time. After the second login, your premium status should refresh properly, and those lock features should unlock again. It's a quick reset that often resolves the mismatch instantly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.